guys. Marla. Look, say good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It's not raining right now. I'm gonna try to get out of here. I have some Vera students to do today for their graduation pictures. Yeah, repping my brand today. I'm just trying to get out of here as soon as possible because I have to get there by 9 and it's now 20 minutes to 9, so I was just spending some time with Marla before I go. I already packed my stuff. I have like a little bag, you know. I literally live like a minute drive away from the school, so it takes me like no time to get there. So I'm just chilling right now until I'm ready to leave out. Guys, tell me if you like the vlogs. I'm trying to get into the mood of vlogging, so I might be vlogging a little bit more often than I would initially like to, just because I want to just do the vlogs, you know. So yeah, no makeup today. I hate working in makeup. It's annoying and it's like a bit of a restriction for me, so I don't really work in makeup like that. My hair is up in this puff from a wash and go I did. I'll link the tutorial for the wash and go on the screen so you guys can see that video. But yeah, pretty much I'm just spending some time with her. I'm sweating, guys, you see that? Yeah, I'm just spending some time with Marla before I go, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to show you guys basically Vera Tech and the students that I'm doing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You want to come with me too? You coming? No? You need to go to sleep. So guys, I'm done. I am on my way home. Yeah, it was a very rough day. I don't even know how many people I ended up doing. I did a couple people who did have a little vibe. So right now I'm trying to get into the car. Guys, me look rusty, like look at me, oh my god. But I miss Marla so much. I want to go home to see my baby. But guys, I'm tired, like I'm really tired. Thank god the school is like literally close to my house, and I really love their lot. I love the setting of the school. It's real nice. So I'm about to get out of here. I'll hit you guys up when I get home. So I'm back home, guys, and look who this. Did you miss me? Huh? Did you miss me? Guys, I can't get her if I take the finger out of her mouth. Look there. This girl will not stop sucking her fingers. I don't stop. Stop. No finger. She's like, girl, if you don't get out my face. So I'm about to catch up on some TV series because I am so behind. Like, oh, I'm legit behind right now, and I need to catch up on like Gotham and I already watched Training Day, but we need to catch up on some other TV series that I haven't really watched. Guys, you see this? Ow, 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 Marla. Yeah, guys, so we're going to get some groceries, right? Yeah, guys, we're going to supermarket. We're going to buy some things. It still look cloudy, like we're not going to fall tonight, but I don't know. The rain is due in, so rain might fall later. But we're just going to get some groceries.
my thing and
Why them are your thing?
When you buy my thing them, please don't yam the house.
Him love go like say, listen.
So take up your thing them.
Take off. 371. These are like a drink of juice.
No exit.
Can I be your babe? Can I be your baby? Can I be your babe? Can I be your baby?
Hello, what my flagging up? I stop this my flagging up. So my flag are lame, guys. Drive and babe. Hey everybody, so the vlog ya choppy. The vlog ya choppy bad. Watch her. Watch her. Just look on her. Watch her. Watch her get up. So the vlog ya really choppy. And that's because like I'm telling you the problem I have with the vlogging. Like I literally sometimes don't remember that I'm vlogging, so that might be a problem. My camera's foggy. Ooh. Is it okay? Oh, okay. So I just got back off the road. Marla and I went to go buy some little cute little stuff, like, you know, because most of her stuff she's outgrown already, and she needed some clothes to wear like around the house. So I bought her a couple tops and just some cute little, you know, some little yard clothes. I like this one. This one's real cute. But yeah, I'm about to go rinse those out because tomorrow's Labor Day and we're going to my mom's house again because my aunt's over there and my cousin and my cousin and them about to be over there. My hair is just in a bun right now. I washed it. I was supposed to film my hair tutorial for you guys, but I didn't have everything that I needed, so that never worked out right. But I'm about to go do some laundry really quick, and I'm definitely gonna take you guys with me tomorrow when it's Labor Day. Yeah, I went ahead and picked up some of these weaving caps because I want to make some wigs to get some more wig orders. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on. I'm just gonna do the laundry real quick to get the rest of the sun that's outside, because it's like, what time now? Like 3:30 basically. So I'm just going to do some laundry real quick. CJ soon come home, say, you know, say so I have up and do me do right now. It's Labor Day, guys. I'm on my way to my mom's house. I told you guys I was about to go over there today. So the road is pretty empty. I got Marla in the back seat. So we're on our way over there. When I get there, I'll show you guys my outfit. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I know that my aunt is going to be there. My aunt come down from town, so she's funny as hell. So hopefully I get to like share some family moments with you guys. But for the most part, it's just gonna be a very chill day. I have like whole heap of things to do, guys. My thing is, like, I'm really pressuring myself. Honestly, sometimes I look at it and I'm like, I have like 1,000,001 things on my mind at once. And if you know me, then you know that I'm one that, you know, I like, I pressure myself. If I have anything to do, like, I pressure myself. I just feel like my plate is always full or something. So I'm trying not to pressure myself, honestly, but I just can't help it. On my lips I'm wearing this nice combo that I tried on a client. It's Makeup Monster's Wolfsbane lipstick with Milani's lip gloss in Luminous, my favorite gloss. When I'm tired for ear, I say that. But that's what I'm wearing on my lips. So I just went very light, like with the makeup today, because I was just not in the mood. And Marla was the whole time I was getting ready, Marla was so upset because she was already ready. I always get her ready before I get myself ready, and she was already ready and waiting on me like, yo, where you do so long? So she started to get very miserable and whatnot, but we're finally leaving the house. So I'm on my way there. Don't know, I'm gonna show you guys some clips, some footage when I get there. Not gonna leave me now. Don't move, it must get better. Not gonna leave me now. Don't move, it must get better.
It's like loading. That is what I do with your body. I mean your mind pretty girl, move me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're the actual number 6 like loading. I wanna call you. See I want your number, girl. Can I get your number, girl? Get your number, girl. I wanna call you.
Guys, quick little outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. Just a regular tank with like some padded detail like in the bra area, and I just have on these really cool pants with Bob Marley on them. These are like my favorite pants ever. Like when I should have seen me in this one, I'm pregnant. So cute. I love how free flowing they are. I actually got these in the US when I went away like about like 2 summers ago. So that's what I'm wearing today, and I had my red and black sandals on, but I don't know, I took them off and I left them somewhere. But this is Marla's little outfit. She's in this onesie thing. Say hi, bear. And Reggie in the back, I just study because it's CXC time and he has exams. But say hi, bear. Say hi. Hey. Hey, everybody. People outside of labor. Let me see if I can show you. People that like they're outside of labor and chop out the bush and all them something there, but like they stopped. I think some of them went inside, so it's just this one man now, and they filled the road. I don't know if you guys can see right out there, them filled the road because the roads were really bad. So yeah, this is basically what's happening today. Let me see a Labor Day. I passed like a couple people doing like Labor Day work, but it wasn't a lot because I don't think people keep up the tradition of Labor Day anymore. But yeah, this is just us. You see how big Marla get? Like, look there. Why you wanna get so big, bear? So guys, I just made myself this sandwich. It's eggs, cornbread, and cheese and sausages because I was mad hungry, so I gotta eat this. But on my way over here, I was telling you guys something that I didn't finish saying. No, I am usually like a person that has like a lot going on, and I think I really pressure myself a lot. Being that I have things, I'm just like, I need things to get done. Like I need things to be right. I need things to be the way I want them to be. So sometimes I end up pressuring myself, and I'm like, geez, like it's so and so of a time. How many done do this yet? Like, but I honestly have a lot going on, and come the time when I should resume my degree program, I'm going to have even more going on. So I don't really know like how I'm going to work it out in terms of balancing everything. Some way, somehow, I've always just tried to find time to balance it, you know what I mean? But it really is difficult. I have something that I'm working on that you guys, I don't know when you guys will see it. If you follow my Instagram, then you probably already have a hint of what it is, but it's not done yet, and I'm just working on it so that it can be perfect because I want it to be perfect. I need it to be perfect, but it's just like it's not at the stage where I can execute it or just get it out there to you guys. It's not there yet, and I need it to be there like yesterday, you know. But it's just that I have so much going on, like, you know, being a mother, it takes a lot out of you. And then I have like the brand building, because you guys know outside of YouTube I do makeup and hair in real life, so sometimes I'm busy with clients. And I started a new thing, my natural glam locks. I've worn it a couple times. When did I mention this? I think I mentioned this in like one of my last videos, my last vlog probably, where I was saying I was going to give you guys a tutorial on that soon. Now I recently installed them on a client, and then I have another client to install them on this week, and they take a long time to make, and they're very detailed, and that's because they look very real, and I wanted them to be, you know, different, so I'm putting in work for that, and it takes a lot of time to build a brand. And a lot of people see you do things and they think, oh well, that easy, yo, like anybody can do that, but it's such a lie. I don't want this vlog to be a long vlog, guys, but I just want to be real with you guys for a second. Like, a 9 to 5 is pretty easy, to be honest. It's easy to get up and go to work. Trying to build something for yourself, that's difficult. Trying to get out there, trying to do something that a lot of people are doing, and trying to kind of stand out while you're doing that, that's the difficult thing. And that's where I'm at right now. I mean, I'm a makeup artist, I'm a hairstylist, I'm going into fashion, so hint hint. But it's a lot to do all of that and then manage a regular life, and then I'm still a student. So when it's time to come back around for me to go back to school, like, how am I gonna manage all of that? And my friends would tell me, you know, like, sometimes I get so paranoid about this whole thing, you know, like, and people would say like, yo, Toya, know yourself, you know, you got this way. But honestly, I just really don't feel like I do have it. I'm just trying, and it's just working out for me sometimes. So I'm just saying this to say, guys, like, if you have a dream, don't give up on your dream. Like, I feel like it's going to work out eventually, but for now, it's a lot of dedication. Like, that's really all I can say. It's a lot of dedication, and it takes a lot for me to be this dedicated to something. But at the same time, I'm very passionate about it, so it's like, whatever, you know. But at the same time, I still lose sleep. I still feel tired. I still feel like I don't ever get to enjoy myself. I'm getting people pretty for them to enjoy themselves, and then that's my job, you know. So when do I get to enjoy myself? Like, my birthday's coming up and people keep on telling me, yo, make sure you take some time off, make sure you take some time for yourself. And I really hope that I get to do that, because I need it, you know. I need to feel like I'm not just working my life away. I need to feel like I am literally enjoying something about my life. So I hope to have a nice weekend. That's what I want my birthday to be like this year. Yeah, I don't know, hopefully it works out. But guys, I have so much planned. Just stay tuned. Follow my Snapchat. If you follow my Snapchat or my Instagram, then you'll pretty much be up to date with everything. So please follow me there. You guys won't even have to wonder about what's happening. You will always be in the loop, because it's a little bit more difficult to come on here and make a YouTube video than it is to, you know, like, see a post on Snapchat or see a post on Instagram. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep my shit together, guys. I am. And it's a lot, because when I lie down to sleep at night, I keep thinking of how far behind I am, you know. In my head, I'm like, God, I literally can't sleep. That's the point where it's at right now. I can't sleep. If I sleep, I feel like I'm wasting time. Like, that's it. I just feel like I don't have enough hours in the day, and I'm trying to get that mindset out of my head so that I don't get stressed out, because this can be so stressful. Building a brand can be so stressful, and trying to make everything perfect. And then, like, everybody who's been helping me with this new venture, thank you so much. My brother Fire Royal, thanks. Jesse from Fashion My Passion, like, we had this nice WhatsApp conversation last night, and it's just so enlightening when you have like other people who are on the same path as you, and you can feed off each other's energy. Like, that's perfect. That's literally perfect. So, like, I'm just trying to continue to feed off my brothers and sisters' energy, because, yo, like, it's good when you have other people in your circle, other people doing things. Never surround yourself with people who don't get it, people who don't know what you're doing and all they do is discourage you. Don't surround yourself with people like that, because they will end up, because of their fear, them rub that off on you, because they literally feel like, yo, you can't do this. Like, no, you're not gonna do that. Like, what you talking about? Get away from them. They will drain your energy so bad, and it's not even funny. So right now, I've already cut off people like that from my circle. I'm a loner. I tell people I don't really have friends like that. I just have people that you know, I talk to, and a lot of business associates, but I don't have like friends like that that are around all the time. And I'm just like pretty much by myself, and honestly, being by yourself sometimes works out better than having this huge circle with all these people that waste your time and you don't do anything. You guys are not progressing. Like, nobody's going anywhere. Every time they're in, they're out, you check it, it's the same thing. Everybody's not moving, and your energy is important. And Oh yeah, eat apple. Say to my vlog, dog. Running, say to my vlog. Yo yo. Yo yo. Yo yo. Apple yellow laugh. Hey Swan Swan. Swanny. Hey. Kajin. Oi, take your hand out of your mouth. Take your hand out your mouth. Nasty.
Finger go.
Nasty girl.
Auntie, I'm a finger go.
So we reached home, guys, and Marla fell asleep. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm sweaty. Like, makeup still going with things though. Like, I was supposed to try it a new primer today, but I never tried it out, so I don't know. But yeah. So right now, I think I'm just going to go to bed. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next vlog. If you guys enjoy, please don't forget to thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.